And joining us on the program now, Pinaki Mishra of the BJD. I spoke to him just a short while back on the Maoists, saying that the state government cannot be trusted. They said that just a year ago in the Vineet Krishna case, that high-profile IPS officer who was kidnapped by the Maoists, promises were made by the state government, but then they went back on their word.
I don't think that's quite correct. I think, some of the prominent demands which were made during that period and which led to the collector's release have been met by the state government, and the state government has acted, very, very honorably in this matter. So I don't think that's quite correct. We are getting mixed signals, essentially. There is a lot of confusion at the moment because of the success of the state government in the drive against Maoists in Orissa. There is a great deal of confusion at the moment as to their actual leadership structure and hierarchy. And this, appears to be some sort of leadership battle now, which is ongoing between the Odisha cadres vis-a-vis the Chhattisgarh and the Andhra Pradesh cadres. And as a result, a high-profile kidnapping, sort of adds to the muscle of a particular leadership, I think.
Right. You're, of course, saying that there were promises that were kept, but, of course, the Maoists are saying that combing operations haven't stopped. That was one key demand which you would agree to. They're, of course, saying that it's been intensified. But while that back and forth continues, they're, of course, saying that to Italians, but treating the tribals, and I quote here, treating the tribals like monkeys. According to your reports, what have you managed to piece together, sir?
Unfortunately, this on the 12th of this month, this tour operator called Paolo, who's been operating out of Puri for the last 20 years, he's into adventure tourism. He and his Italian tourist, his customer who was with him, along with two others, Santosh and Karthik, who are local Puri residents, who were employees of Paolo. They were warned by the Daringbadi police specifically not to, hang around that area and sort of engage in their trekking operation in that area, because it is very heavily wooded and, the very, very dense jungles there. So the chances of Maoist activity in that area is very high.
Right.
And unfortunately, they seem to have disregarded the government's, the police's advice. And, they were still there on the 14th when they seem to have been.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.